2. This is our application for the STC Web App competition, run on Android Ice Cream Sandwich for the RSF. The main menu has 6 sub-menus, and if you swipe to the left, you'll see the current status of the gym. This shows how full the RSF is in general, as well as more specifically how full the weight room and the treadmills are. This data comes from people actually counting at the RSF, so you know the information is accurate. If you click on the News button, this is an RSS feed from the Rec Sports website, so you can know what's going on at the gym. If you click on the hours, this shows a listing for the open rec hours of the day for today. It's sorted by activities like basketball and swimming. It uses Google Calendar API. It also shows you the location and when they start and end. The pickup feature, one of the big features of the app, is for the days when your friends don't want to go play a sport, but you still want to go. So it lets you play with people you wouldn't usually play with, and you meet people that way too. You can browse through pickup games that are already listed, or create your own pickup games too. This is sorted by the sport, the place, and the time. For this feature, we created and deployed a server on Google App Engine. The Places feature shows a listing of the recreational areas near campus, and a more detailed view. It shows a map so you can see what's nearby, and an address, as well as a short description. You can change the place within the detailed view, or also back at the listing. There's also an hours button so you can see when it's open. The classes feature is to show all that the RSF has to offer. There's 4 different types of classes, such as Cal Adventures, and for each class there's a detailed description. Let's see. You can find out how much Taekwondo costs, or look over all the different fitness classes. Lastly, another big feature of the app is the Friends. This lets you see whether or not your friends are checked in any of the recreational areas. It integrates with Facebook Open Graph API. The first time you log in, it's going to ask you to allow for permissions. None of your friends are currently here. Well, in addition to seeing where your friends are, you can also check in and optionally add a status to your Facebook post. And there you are. This app is meant to introduce people to new things that the RSF has to offer. We've shown it to a couple of our friends and they found it really useful, and seen the things the RSF has going for it that they didn't know about. This concludes our submission for the Web STC competition, and we hope you like it.